What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. Guys, and I just got something very good in the mail just now. Limited edition Oreos of Sour Patch Kid flavor. So I guess Sour Patch Kids and Oreos did a collab. And we got Oreo Sour Patch Kids, and this is going to be a food review of Oreo Sour Patch Kids right now. So, ooh. They smell exactly like Sour Patch Kids. Holy crap. So this is what they look like. They have Sour Patch Kids little crumbs in the Oreo, and also on the inside. So let's try this out. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we have 3 rows of Sour Patch Kids Oreos, and they smell exactly like the Sour Patch Kids does. And I bet the stuff at the bottom of this that makes these sour, they might be in here for some reason, but we don't taste that. This tastes exactly like Sour Patch Kids does. And they are amazing. I wish I could have bought like 3 boxes of these, which I might actually do. But like on the box here, you have red, orange, and blue on here, and like around it too. So they are great, and I'm gonna have another one. They smell exactly like them. So guys, and for some reason I had to buy this from Amazon, but if they're in your local grocery stores like Schnucks, Sam's, Big Lots, Dollar Tree, hell, they might even be in your Dollar Tree. I have no idea. And you also have the yellow and green Sour Patch Kid. And on the back here, you have red and blue as well. But guys, these are incredible. They are fantastic. So if you have a Big Lot, Sam's, Schnucks, any grocery store that has these, go out and buy them immediately. They are amazing. Except they're a limited edition. So you might not find them, but hell, if you go on Amazon, they're there for like $5. So guys, I'm highly recommended Oreo Sour Patch Kids. I still have the aftertaste in my mouth, which is incredible. So guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And please go check these out. And please, let me in to your YouTube subscription boxes on your phones, on your computers, on your tablets, on your PS4s, wherever you get YouTube. I want to be in that subscription box. The only way to do that is to hit and smash the subscribe button right here. And please leave your comments in the comment section down below. Are you going to pick up the Oreo Sour Patch Kids flavor? And if you already have, tell me your thoughts in the comment section down below. How were they? And please follow the YouTube buzzards. Yes. So guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.